So, do you know you can use AI to build a website? Let's say you have a business, you're a business owner, you need a website for your business, whether you have a school or hospital or whatever you sell, you need a business where or a landing site. You sell a product. When you advertise, you need somewhere where people can come to place order. Do you know you can use your AI to generate this in few minutes? So this is what you do. You just come to your ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to write a code. Either you can come here, you can come to this codex. Can you see codex here? That means you want to write a code. Then when you click on codex, it will take you to the coding. It will take you to coding, or you can just so it's loading now. Codex is where you can write code. So now it's loading. Oh, okay, this you don't need to go to codex. This codex on its own will build the app. We don't want to use codex. Just write the code from here. You can tell ChatGPT to write a code to build a website on Figma. So you now tell ChatGPT about the website. The website is about my product. It's about my product. Whether you sell, let's say you sell perfume or you sell cream, about a body lotion named into glow glow with glow with glow with me. That's the name of the product. The website has a place where where we dis where we post each product and price tags. It also has where people can place order, comma, chats with assistants, comma, leave a review. They can leave a review of the products they bought. Then what again can it have? Let's have a place where buyers can interact with one another. So I'm just telling it what I want the website to have. Then I click on send. I'm just writing what I want the website to have. So now, can you see now? So ChatGPT is trying to confirm Figma website structure. What do you design? So this is the template. Yeah. So now it's writing for me. These are the things that you're going to see now. So this is the code. This is the code ChatGPT has written for me. So what do I do with this code now? Before the advent of ChatGPT, you will need to be using Python or C++ or JavaScript or any other programming language to write this program now. This program here now. So now all I'm going to do is to copy it and take it to Figma. Then I'll tell Figma that so now I want to create a new listen. I'll just paste it here and make it. So now, can you see now? This is Figma. Can you see Figma.com? Figma.com. That's Figma. for building website. You can use it to build app. The app that you'll be using for both, you can use the app on both Android and iOS. So it's loading now. So you see the website will be designed now for us on Figma. So yeah, this is, can you see this left side? This is where we put our code. This is the code. Also here you can make changes, ask for changes. If you want to make changes, you can make changes. Can you see on the right side is already building the website? On the right side here, it's already building the website. So we are waiting for it. Can you see now? Is executing the code. So there are different ways you can use this to make money. How can you use this to make money? You can just go to Google. You go to Google Map. Then you search for companies in your environment, companies in your area that don't have a website. You know, when you go to google.com and you check for location, you see companies. You see companies. Or let me go first. So let me go business. You can create a website for yourself as a sample. You can even create for people. You can even create for people. So Figma is still running our design. You know, building apps, building websites used to take a lot of time, but with this AI now, in just few minutes, you are done with your designs, and you can put it to life that people can browse it. You can do whatever you want to do with it. I will show us how to bring it to life. I will also show us how to buy domain. When you build this website now, you can build this website with 0 naira. 0 naira is free, but it's not going to carry .com. Like if you want to build a website, let's say Tafa Media now, it will not carry tafamedia.www.tafamedia.com. That .com is the domain, but it will carry www.tafamedia.figma.com, because I'm using Figma to host it. Can you see now? So the website is ready now. Wow. Can you see now? Let me play it so that you can see. I'm coming now. I can change all these images. If I have my product image, all I just need to do is to come here, upload the, let me say, I can come here now and add the product. I can even change this background now. Can you see the designer? Can you see with price tags 15,000? I can come here. Any changes I want to do now, I will just come here and say change the price of commodity. Any commodity I want to change the price, I will come here. This is where you can change whatever you want to change from this website now. So I'll just say change the picture. I will upload the picture here. I'll just click on this plus sign, add the image. Then I'll give it a command that it should change the product. Can you see the reviews? Let me play it. This is play. This is play now. So this play now, it will display the website. So once you click on publish, it will publish the website. Publish in the sense that it will be live. You can browse it from anywhere using the link. Once you just click on that link, it will take you to the website directly. Then you are done with the website. Can you see now? If I publish it now, this is fantastic. I can modify all these things. I can change the background color. Can you see? Glow with me. That's the name of the company. Can you see home, product, reviews? Can you see the reviews? This lotion transform my skin. I'm glowing naturally now. This is something that will have taken time, a lot of time before you can do. Community. Can you see? You can share your name and post, then you are ready to do this. So you can look for companies or schools or any that don't have a that don't have a website, and you can create website for them. If you click on this publish now, it will be live. So they will give you a link. That link is what you'll be using to go into this website. So anybody that wants them to visit the website, you just type in this link. It will have www.yourname then figma.com. That will be the link once you publish it. But if you don't want it to have figma.com, then you have to go and buy domain. Like in these settings now, you can see domain here, domains. Can you see? Not publish. So if you want to buy domain, you buy domain, then you publish your site to so you are going to buy the domain and connect. You are going to connect the domain here. So you can go to godaddy.com to buy your domain if you have money. Like if you are building a real website, like the one that I will pay you, of course you need to buy a domain. So you go to godaddy.com. You go to godaddy.com. There are different sites that sells domain. So you go to godaddy.com. Godaddy, that's godaddy.com. Godaddy. Godaddy.com, they sell domain. So you can go there to buy domain. Wait, I'm coming. You can go there to buy your domain, and I secured my listing. Let me go and unlock it so that I can go to GoDaddy. So this is where you can go and buy your whatever you want to buy. With this now, in few minutes, you are done creating a website. The same step you will use in creating app. All you just need to go do is go to ChatGPT to write code for you. Since you don't know how to code, just bring those code, copy it in Figma, then it will bring it to life. So this is how it works. You can see. So just try and build something. Back to files. Like let me show you the ones I've done for myself before. The real website I have created before. You see them here. I have a Can you see this is iSwap mobile UI design. This is a 5 months ago. This is a design that I wanted to launch, but later on I discovered the name is not so palatable. So I'm still thinking of a name to use. Then there's one that I just published recently. I think it's this one, GFG. There's one I did. Is it this one? Okay, let me go to all projects. So that's how Figma works. Very easy and straightforward. Very easy and straightforward.